Wow. If that doesn't get your shaft hard, nothing will. Some PS2 ATV, is that what it's called? ATV Offroad Fury 2. Absolute classic. Haven't played it in a long time. I do have a question for anyone watching. I have 2 copies by mistake. I got the second copy semi-recently for like $2 because it was a buy 2 get 2 free, and I'm just like, hey, I'll take this. Turns out I already had a copy of it at home, but the copy I had since I was a kid was it says, what does it say? I'm gonna look here. Not for resale. It says not for resale on the disc and the case. So if anyone knows why that is, just let me know. Do a race. I don't know if we like stole it from like a family video or something. Like, I don't know. But it's kind of cool, honestly. Let's go. Just thought I'd play this a little bit. Why not? Something to do. Honestly, I like the yellow. I'm gonna go... Oh, these are all locked. Can I change the color? I know growing up we had... Oh my god. We have an ATV almost exactly like this in real life. That's fucking awesome. I'm taking it. Let's change our gear a little bit. Oh, all locked. Okay. Honestly, I think the red crotch is cool. Edit name. We are. Guess who we are. Take your time. Nay. Sound it out. Oh yeah, that looks sick. What's our number? It's got to be 69, right? I mean, what else should it? I mean, what else would it be? Helmet. And I swear to God, when I put 269, it was not in my mind. Oh, 69, you know. It wasn't. It just wasn't. We have a blue helmet. It doesn't look like that, but I'll take that. Yellow goggles look kind of cool. All locked. I'll go with those gloves and all locked. I guess blue boots. Yeah, I'll go with the blue. Oh, I kind of like the white. Uh-oh, did it save? Please, oh, fuck. Please tell me it saved. It looked like it did. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I had trouble getting my other copy that I just recently bought working. It could be the PlayStation. It's probably the PlayStation because it looks clean. It looks fine. But yeah, the copy that we're playing now, it says, "Do not resell, not for resale." Weird. On the case and the disc itself, and it's not just like a sticker on there. It is like printed on there. So. Thought that was kind of cool. Go! Show these fuckers who's the real Speedy Migdalis. Uh-oh. Don't really know how to... Can we do tricks? Do some tricks. Oh. I guess I don't know how to do tricks. Maybe we have to freestyle to do tricks. I'm definitely gonna get claimed for this video. All the music, I'm not gonna turn it off. I really don't care. So, kiss my kiss my ass, greedy media companies. I remember really enjoying this back in the day, and another one, but it was for the PS3. At least the version I played was on the PS3. Is fuck. ATV versus something Unleashed or Fury or something like that. That was pretty cool. You could like drive a monster truck and different vehicles. That was pretty cool. Especially right when the PS3 came out, I'm like, holy shit, this is crazy. Turns out there's a PS2 version of that game as well. We are getting crushed. Can we go any faster? I just think it's so badass because I literally have this four-wheeler in real life. Family four-wheeler, I should say. It's fucking sick. I remember when we got it for Christmas, there's this giant box in the living room. And they're like, what do you think it is? What do you think it is? And I'm like, I literally swore I heard it breathing. I'm like, it's a dog. It's a dog. This is before Rocky even existed. I'm like, it's a dog. It's a dog. Nope, not a dog. It's a four-wheeler. Why did I hear it breathing? I don't know. I guess you just hear what you want to hear at that age, right? Or I guess any age. But yeah, I figured, just dick around in this a little bit. Why not? A little nostalgia for you. Even is it nostalgic getting crushed in races? I don't think I ever really raced in the game. I think I more or less just freestyled. Like trying to jump on the train with my buddies. I think we'll probably end up doing that after this. Oh my god. After this terrible race. I'd like to win a race, but maybe we'll try one more race after this and then do some freestyling or something. We started off strong, I thought. I guess not. We're not that far behind, even though we crashed like 4 or 5 times. We gotta hug those turns, not as tight as we are, because we're just losing all our speed. Final lap, great. Is that our best lap? Is that what that just said? Oh shit. Wish there was a way we could cheat. I'm trying to do tricks. I guess you just can't. Maybe I'm not getting enough air to do a trick. What a fun race, huh? Not even close to the pack. Oh, man. At least we secured... Oh, my God. At least we secured last place without any competition. Hey, you can do tricks. Kinda. Can we reverse? Is there a reverse? I can't even tell. Game over. Yeah. Didn't do too hot there. Let's go ahead and try a different event. Let's try something else. God damn it. The best gamer to ever walk the face of the earth is named 269 for sure. Let's do amateur. Amateur, and we'll do 4 laps. Expert or normal? Let's do normal. We're more of an amateur hour here. Okay. So we got to beat that. I want to beat the fastest lap. 30. We got to get it in under 30 seconds. You think it's possible? Highest stunt score? We ain't even going to try stunts. Well, maybe we will. If there's a big enough jump, I will. Come on, motherfuckers. Let's hit the gas. Get out of here. Get out of here. Ugh. Oh, no. Sabotage both of us. Shit. Trick. Nope. Alright, let's just focus on staying on the track here. Oh, I landed it too. Oh yeah, we're gonna be doing tricks like crazy. Shit. Later, bitch. Hey, we've got the new fastest lap for sure. Just hug the side of this and go hard. Oh no. Hang on, dude. Fuck me. Let's hit this little thing here. Oh no! Damn it. Damn it all. Final lap. Oh no, I might have just lost it by crashing. All speed, all speed. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. No! No, no! Damn it. We needed one more lap. We would have had him. We both. I'm gonna try that one again. I want to win one. Fuck that guy. We're just going for speed, pure speed. World record pace here. Come on now. World record right here. Shit. And we'll do a trick. Why not? Show these bitches how to race. Ugh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got this. Easy. Easy win. Another easy win for the evil people. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, I thought we were done for. $160 feet? Hell yeah. I don't know if I was always a little cautious when driving our ATV. Never really took jumps, at least not at this kind of speed. There's a quarry by our house. I used to take it down there. It's all closed off now. It looks completely different now. But it was awesome. Woo! Let's go! Wow. 11 profile points. Yeah. Longest jump, fastest lap. Sweet. You love to see it. Practice driving in slot cam? You're a slot cam. And when I seen ATV 2, I'm like, they had 1 and 3, and I'm like, I like 2. I'll get 2. I already had it. I guess it worked out good because apparently that copy just doesn't work. Okay, we got one map. Oh wait, I get it. This is the one I remember the most. Arlington Stream. Time limit. Can I change that? Just do practice? Yeah, I just want to fuck around. I just want to fuck around. I want to try and get on the damn train. That's all I want to do. I also want to get slungshot back onto the map once you go too far out. That's another major goal we must accomplish here today. Hit. Score stunt points. Go! Oh, cool trick, huh? How did I do that? Oh! Oh, if you hold them together, they reset you. Okay. We're still learning here. Uh-oh. that looked like it hurt. Holy shit. Hey, there's the train. Let's go. Shit. Oh no. This is always the best part of these type of games, like Tony Hawk. This type of game is just you and a buddy just trying to get somewhere the best you can, and it's just so fun. The music's going. Hell yeah. Vintage gaming in my mind anyway. Oh, how the fuck did you crash, dude? Uh-oh, we're too late. Luckily there's this little ramp here. Go. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no, he's dead. He's dead. Oh my god, he got squished. Oh shit, I can't see. I'm trying to get on the train with this view. How long do you think it will let us go for? We're on the train, right? We crashed. Okay, I was wondering what happened. I let go of the button. Oh, is this fucking with anybody? You like that? You like that, huh? Oh no. Oh no, the turn. Can't never get on with the turn. Oh shit. Come on. Tom Cruise type movie. Oh yeah, and these bars will fuck you up too if you're not in the little shit. Damn it. Oh, it's all coming back to me now. I want to get from the back end of the train to the front of the train. Try and learn some tricks. Let's just stay on here for a second. See you guys. See you later. I'm holding on to it. I'm just curious. How long will it... Can it go out of sight? See ya. Oh my god, you can. It just... My camera's not going anywhere. That's hilarious. Oh no, perfect timing again. Son of a bitch. Stop the bike! Fuck. I pressed the wrong button to stop. Go. No. Oh, he's dead again. And the four-wheeler's fucking ruined. You can see why this was such a fun challenge back then, can't you? Oh, man. Oh, man. Wow. Oh, no. Oh, I fucked up my camera. There. Kinda. I guess we'll take it. Go over the bridge. Oh, shit. We can do this, I swear. Oh, there's a turn. Son of a bitch. Let's just get on it, and then we can just stop. Back up a little. Go. We gotta get in here and stop so we don't get hit by those bars. Go. Go. Go! I'm going for it. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, yeah. What do you think of that? What's up, bitches? Are you oh, yeah. Let's go. Actually, look at this. Shout out my brother Jake. Does this look familiar? Huh? Does this? I'm gonna take a picture and send it to him. Does this look familiar to you? Oh god. I'm gonna get hit by the train now, which is another fun activity. How do we reverse? There we go. X and square. Let's go. Oh my dude, that was embarrassing. You guys liking this free pirated music that's gonna get me super claimed? I'm gonna get claimed so hard. I might have timed this way wrong. It's been a long time. You gotta get him at straight angle here. Hopefully he just appears. Come on. Come on, where is it? Shit. Oh, I see it. Oh, no, and it's right at a turn. I timed it wrong. Son of a bitch. Ugh. Damn it. Damn it all. Gotta try again. Gotta try again. Just gotta hope. I wonder if we timed it, if we could get on top of this building here. We probably could. Where's this fucker? I hope it's right after the curve. As soon as we hit a straight point, boom, train. That would be ideal. Yeah, let's go. Here we go. Oh! Woo! How did me as a... Oh my god. How did me as a kid get our... Oh my god, we're spawning on the fucking tracks. Get hours and hours of entertainment out of just that. It beats me at this point, honestly, but... I wish I knew how to do tricks. I swear I'm pressing buttons. Oh, perfect timing, bud. I remember a time I was four-wheeling with my brother. He was extra little at this point. And we were up at our grandma's cat. Okay, get ready to slingshot. I'll finish the story in a second here. Let's go. Oh, it didn't happen. Anyway, I guess I'll just... Oh, there it is. Yeah. 117, 130. Oh my god, they're dead. Dead on impact. Wow. Anyway, it was a trailer or a camper at that point. They didn't build their cabin yet. And my brother was on the back of the four-wheeler. And I'm like, there's like this hanging sign for, I think, a business or something. And we would zoom underneath it. And he was wearing the helmet. And the visor of the helmet got stuck on the lip of the sign. And his head was like backwards. Right? And I'm just like, oh, well, the only way to solve this is by continuing to go forward. So I did, and then it hurt him, and he started crying. And I sat out there with him for like 15 minutes at least, trying to convince him that he was not injured, even though he was definitely hurt. And to stop crying, because I'm like, I'm gonna get in trouble. So you gotta just, you're having fun, remember? Oh my god. Anyway, that was a fun memory. Let's fucking trick. Oh my god, it fucking reset. Shit. Let's find, where is a big jump? Shit. Back. Forward. I guess these are big jumps, huh? We get enough speed. Right here. Oh! Oh shit. Hit the fucking train. Whee! I just want one good jump. And then I'm done. One good one. Yeah. I wish there was a way to do more tricks. I don't know. Dude. Oh, that's backwards. Oh yeah, was that sick or what? Here we go. Hey! Oh, we almost held on to it too. Son of a bitch. Oh, back up. Oh, shit. Let me check out that water thing. We'll do another race and then we'll call it a day. Oh my god, I suck so bad. It's not even funny. Damn, that would actually really hurt. Remember one time I was four-wheeling with a couple buddies right when I moved to a new school district. We all happened to live by each other, and we're like, oh, let's go four-wheeling. We're going up this hill, right? And I had this one, and these guys had full-sized four-wheelers. Dude and his buddy were going up the hill, and it flipped over and damn near crushed both of them. It like landed on them, but it didn't hurt them. I don't know. It was, and everyone hopped off their four-wheelers and ran up to try and help, and I'm just sitting there like, I just met you guys. I don't know. I don't know what the proper etiquette is with something like that. It seems like you're fine. Good times, all good times, you know. All right, let's do one more race and call her a day. I don't get the same amount of enjoyment as I once did with this game, even though it is a classic. It is. Should we try the race that we lost at originally? Try again? Let's just do it. Let's just fucking go for it. Fastest lap? Not great. We gotta beat Balls. Highest stunt score. That seems like a good one to try and beat. I don't know if we can, honestly. We just gotta focus on winning. guys are competitive here. Woo! Let's go, let's go. Come on. Just stay on the track. We should be fine. Really mastering the bumps is a big thing, I think. Oh, we got him killed. Whoops. Like, if you can time the jump so you come back down on the slope of the next one, like, kind of like that, or more like that, instead of hitting it and it slows you way down, I think that's a big aspect. Let's go. Shit. These guys are good. Huh. Nice. That was the plan. Now we just gotta get rid of this one. Other green guy. No wonder he's winning. He's got the best four-wheeler ever. A Kawasaki. A green Kawasaki. To be a bit more specific. Oh, fuck. Oh, get the... Oh, no. These guys are tough. We kill them on the corners, but that's it. No! Oh, no! I got Dane Burmage. We got 5 laps. We should be okay. We got time to make it up. Right? No! We don't have to... Oh, God! No! One mistake and you are out of the race. That's the way it seems. Yeah. Don't know what happened to him. I think he tried to do a trick. Shit. I don't know if we can come back. It doesn't seem like it right now. Especially that first little group. They were killing us the whole time. We can take this corner without crashing. We should overtake blue guy here. Shit. Ugh. Oh, hey, second. Let's go. I don't know what happened to green. Oh my god, green is killing it. Yeah, he's way ahead. Dirty bastard. He's got NOS. He's got that NOS canister on his fucking four-wheeler. I wonder, so, one of my uncles has a three-wheeler. What? And I know they don't make them anymore because the tipping over problem, which makes sense to me, honestly, because I tipped it plenty of times. But what are the advantages and disadvantages of having 3 wheels versus 4? Because obviously there's a reason they made them, right? Not just because they're cool. Maybe it's just because they're cool. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, we've got to want it. You gotta want it. How is red taking us over? Oh, no, I thought we were driving pretty good. Oh, green crashed. Oh, no, we're going to lose to double red. Oh, get out of my race. I love the corn song. Love corn. The food and the song. Music band. Hey, let's fucking go. Hell yeah. Ending on a win like that. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.